Sri Shuka Uvacha Patyurnigatam Shrutva Daityadanavayutaparasam Nirvivishurajan Vishnuparsadhatadita. Further, the question is telling that how Lord Vamandev, because Bali Maharaj could not fulfill the promise, he said he will give 3 steps. He was able to give only 2, because in 2 only Lord Vamandev covered everything. Okay, so that's the point here. So Sukdev Goswami is saying, Sri Shuka Vacha Patyur Nirgatam Srutva Daitya Dhanava Yutapa Rasam Nirvishu Rajan Vishnu Parsad Tadita. Sri Shuka Vacha, Sri Shuka Goswami said, Patri of their master Balimal Nirgatam, which what had been thus described, Srutva after hearing Daitya Dhanava Yutapa, the leaders of the Daityas and demons, Rasam, the lower regions of the universe, Nirvishu entered Rajan Vishnu Parsad by the associates of Lord Vishnu Tadita driven. Sukdev Goswami continued, O king, in accordance with the order of their master Bali Maharaj, all the chiefs of the demons and the Daityas entered the lower regions of the universe, to which they were driven by the soldiers of Vishnu. Okay, after the fight. अथ तार्क्ष सुतो ज्ञात्वा विराट प्रभु चिकीर्षितं भवन्त वारुणै पाशैर् बलिं सूत्रे. Atha, thereafter, Takshasuta Garuda Gyatvan make of birds Prabhu Chikirsan, the desire of Lord Vishnu, Vamandev Babanda arrested Varuni, Varuna, Pashay of Petros, Bali, Shute, when Somaras is taken Ahari on the day, at the time of sacrifice thereafter. So thereafter, on the day of Somupan, after the sacrifice was finished, Garuda, king of the birds, understanding the desire of his master, arrested Bali Maharaj with the roof of Varuna. Garuda, the constant companion of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, knows the confidential parts of the Lord's desire. Bali Maharaj's tolerance and devotion were undoubtedly super excellent. Undoubtedly. Garuda arrested Bali Maharaj to show the entire universe the greatness of the king's tolerance. Now, another great quality of Bali Maharaj will be exhibited here. So this is new pastime. Pastime Leela is going into another page. Ahakaro Mahan Sida Rodastu Sarvatoksham Nigraham Mane Surapato Vishnuna Prabhu Vishnu. Vishnuna Prabhu Vishnuna Ahakara, a tumultuous roar of lamentation, Mahan, great Asi Darbar, Rodastain, both the lower and upper places, Sarvata, everywhere, Disham, all directions. Nigrahamane, because the beings are suppressed. Asura Patav, when Balimada king will be Vishnu by Lord Vishnu, Prabhu Vishnu, who is the most popular. When Bali Maharaj was thus arrested by Lord Vishnu, who is the most powerful, there was a great roar of lamentation in all directions throughout the upper and lower places. Ahakar. तम बद्ध वारुणै पाशेर भगवानः वामना नष्ट श्रेयस्तिर प्रज्ञम उदार यशशम नृपा तम अनभिहिं बद्धम who was so arrested वारुणै पाशै by the ropes of Varuna Bhagwan, the supreme personality of Godhead. Said Vamana Vamadev nashta shriyamantu Bali Maharaj, who had lost his body, thus still pragyam, but was all the same determined in his decision. Udara Yasam, the most continuous and celebrated about. O king, the supreme personality of Godhead, Vamandev then spoke to Bali Maharaj, the most liberal and celebrated personality, who Bali Maharaj, whom he had arrested with the ropes of Varuna. Bali Maharaj had lost all bodily luster, but he was another fixed in his determination. So Bali Maharaj, Vamandev addressed Bali Maharaj. So when one is bereft of all his possessions, he certainly reduced the body luster. But although Bali Maharaj had lost everything, he was fixed in his determination to satisfy Vamandev. Such a wonderful quality. The Supreme Personality of God. In Bhagavad Gita, such a person is called Sthita Prajna. Pure devotees never deviated from the service of the Lord despite all difficulties and impediments offered by the illusory energy. So many problems will come in life, and that problem time only we will say, okay, because now this is problem, so I am not changing, I am not reading, I am not hearing, I am not doing bhakti. Once this problem is solved, I will do bhakti. Are Baba, in this problem time only you should do bhakti move so that you are having more power to fight with the problem. But illusory energy will give such kind of difficulties and people will get alleviated. So that's what the test was, and you were failed. You were doing so much nice bhakti, so much chanting, so much giving, so much service, and Maya will give something. So because of this thing, I'm too busy, I'm too disturbed, and so nowadays I'm not feeling to chant. So once I will overcome, then I will start bhakti. Without bhakti, how we are going to overcome? Without chanting, how we are going to overcome the problem? We don't. So generally, men who have wealth and opulence are famous, but Bali Maharaj is people all the time by being deprived of all this. Bali Maharaj become famous for all time by being deprived of all his possessions. This is the special mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead toward his people. The Lord says, Yasyaham anugraham nami harishyet dhanam. As the first position of his, as the installment, first installment of his special favor, the Lord takes away all the possessions of the devotee. A devotee, however, is never disturbed by such a cause. He continues his service, and the Lord employ rewards him beyond the expectation of any common. पदानि त्रीणि दत्तानि भूमेर्मह्यं त्वयासुरा द्वाभ्यं क्रान्तं मयि सर्वत्र प्रियं कल्पय. Vamandev said, Padani footsteps three dattani have been given bhume of Lord Mahyam and me Toya by you Asura Dvabhyam by you sir Kranta have been occupied Mahi all the land Sarva completed the for the third step Kalpa now find the wings. O king of the demons, you have promised to give me 3 steps of land. But I have occupied the entire universe with a 2 step. Now think about where I should put my third step. Yavat tapatyaso goviriya sahodubi yavat varsati parjanya stavati bhudhim tava. Yavat as far as tapti is shine, so the sun govi. But the sunshine yavat as long as far as Hindu the moon south Budhi with the luminaries are star Yavat as far as Varsati earth pouring rain Parjanya the clouds Davati to that much distance Bhu and Hiyam this Tava in your position as far as the sun and moon shine with the stars and as far as the clouds pour rain all the land throughout the universe is in your possession. पदैकेन मया क्रांतो भूर्लोकं दिशस्तनो स्वरलोकस्ते द्वितीयेन पश्यस्तस्ते स्वमात्मना. Pada ekein by one step only. Maya by me Akranta have been covered. Bhurloka, the entire planetary system known as Bhurloka, from the sky disha all directions by my body. Sarvaloka, the upper planetary system. Stay in your position to gain up by the second step, Pashyatahate, while you are seeing your own Atmana. Of these positions, with one step, I have occupied Burloka. Everything you had, but in one step, I have occupied Burloka, and with my body, I have occupied the entire sky in all directions. And in your presence, with my second step, I have occupied the upper planetary system. According to the Vedic description of the planetary system, all the planets move from east to west. The sun, the moon, and 5 other planets such as Mars and Jupiter orbit one above another like this. Vamandev, however, expanding his body and expanding his self occupied the entire planetary system. Pratisurtam dat tuste nirye vas ishyate visham tam niryam tasmat guruna chanumodita. Pratisrutam, what had been promised, Adatu, who could not give the Abhinire in hell Basha, written Shate prescribed Visha, now enter Tom Yota Miriam, Tasmat by your spiritual Vasacha also, because you have been unable to give charity according to your promise. The rule is that you should go down to live in the hellish planet. Therefore, in accordance with the order of Sukracharya, your spiritual master, now go down and live there. Because you are not able to fulfill. Remember everything you took. Now what else? That's why Hahakar. Everything you took, but still you are binding him. It is said, Narayana Parasape Natasana Vyati Sarva Kyapavarga Narkeshwa Akulyata Darshan. Devotee is solely engaged in the devotional service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Narayan. Never fear any condition of life. Wonderful. For them, the heavenly planets, liberation, and the hellish planet are all the same. For such devotees are interested only in the service of the Lord, whether here, there, anywhere, no problem. We want service of Krishna. A devotee engaged in the service of Narayan is always in Krishna. A devotee actually lives transcendently. Although he may appear to have gone to hell or heaven, he does not live in either place. Rather, he always lives in Vaikuntha. Sa Gunan Samti Taitan Brahma Vijaya. Vamandev asked Bali Maharaj to go to hellish planets, apparently just to show the entire universe how tolerant we are. He's not doing anything. Arey Baba, what you are cheating me like that? Nothing. He wants to show, Vamandev wants to show Bali Maharaj how tolerant. And Bali Maharaj did not hesitate to carry out the order. A devotee does not live alone. Of course, everyone lives with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But because the devotee is engaged in his service, he or she does not live in any material condition. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Eat Janma Hayo Yatha Tuya Das. Thus he prays to take birth as an insignificant insect in the association. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, if nothing I am qualified for, then at least I can become a kita, a insect in the association. Because the devotees will always chant and I will be insect moving, I will get bit by. That's out of his humility he's saying he's such a great acharya. So why he's saying to teach us, you know, how humble we should. We should never be proud that I am so now so great. Because when we become proud, we start saying, anyway, now I'm a great devotee. So 1 or 2 days I can escape, or little I can do this. Okay. I can anyway cover. But when we are not thinking, when we are afraid that we are not devoted, then everything will do proper. Okay, so because devotees are engaged in the service of the Lord, anyone who lives with them also lives with them. वृथा मनोरथस्तस्य दूरास्पदः पतत्यदा प्रतिश्रुतस्य दानेन यो अर्चना प्रलम्बते वृथा without any good result मनोरथा mental concoction tasya pura far away swarga and the happening system patati falls down adha to hellish life प्रतिश्रुतस्य thick promise adanena being unable to give anyone who archana may better प्रलम्बते cheats far Far from being elevated to the heavenly planets or fulfilling one's desire, one who does not properly give a beggar what he has promised falls down to a hellish condition of life. Somebody has promised something to give in charity and later on not able to give, not giving, then he will go to hell. विप्रलब्धो ददामीति त्वयाहं चाड्यमानिना तद वलीकफलं भुङ्क्ष्वा निर्यं तच्चित् तमः. So, Vipralabdha, now I am cheated. Dadami, I promise I shall give you. Kiti das tvaya vayu aham I am cha also atirmanina. By being very proud of your opponents, that therefore vyalik phalam as a result of cheating, bhumshva, you enjoy Niryam in hell's life Katichit a few sama years. Being falsely proud of your possessions, you promised to give me land, but you could not fulfill your promise. You were saying, I will do this, I will give you this. You are asking very less. I ask more. What 3 steps only you are asking? Ask more and more. I can give you an island. Now give me 2 steps. You are not able to give third. You have not given even third one. And you are speaking so big people. Therefore, because your promise was false, you must live for a few years in hellish life. The false prestige of thinking I am very rich, I possess such vast property is another side of material life. Some people think like that. Anyway, I'm so rich, I can get this much donation. Take this, you take this, you take this, you take. This is all material life. This thing. Everything belongs to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. What you are giving to Him, everything is His own. So no one else possesses anything. That's why some people think now I'm renouncing the world. What you are renouncing? What are you? The world belongs to you, so you are renouncing the world. Okay, nothing belongs to you. What you are going to renounce? So this is the real fact. Isha Vashamitam Sarvam. And yet Kincha Jagatyam Jagat. Bali Maharaj was undoubtedly the most exalted devotee, whereas previously he had maintained a misunderstanding, false prestige. By the supreme will of the Lord, he now had to go to the hellish planets. But because he went there by the order of the Supreme Personality, very important point, But because he went there by the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he lived there more opulently than one could expect to live in the planets of heaven. A devotee always lives with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, engaging in his service, and therefore he is always translated to hellish or heavenly residence. Okay, so here when Lord Vaman says go to hell for some time, so what is that? Even a person with a trace of bhakti, little bhakti, bhakti avas, should not go to hell. Even little bhakti, if somebody has done, he will not go to hell. How then can a pure devotee go to hell just for breaking his promise? Just see this small promise. And that's also because Lord showed such a opulence, so he was not able to fulfill. Otherwise, he has no intention to cheat the Lord. So anyway, so Lord is saying you go to hell. Why? So Niraye here in this verse it is mentioned. That means actually Nilaye. So the Lord is actually indicating to Bali Maharaj, go and live in my abode Vaikuntha. Nilaye, my own abode Vaikuntha, you go and live there. So now I am ordering you to enter my special place Sutala. After your position there is finished, have you I will have you enter Vaikuntha Loka. Lord is saying actually directly he's saying you go to uh, hell, hellish planet. It actually is sending into Sutala, which is down lower planet, but that planet is more opulent than Indra's planet. And he's saying indirectly, you go there for some time. This is a part of Leela. You go there for some time in Sutala, and later on, anyway, you come to my Vaikuntha. So actually, Lord is giving an indirect order, come to Vaikuntha. Like that. So anyway, Bali Maharaj goes down in Sutala planet. Okay. So what else is there? Okay. So heaven is the Lord indicated to Bali, since you are my devotee, you desire to take Indra's position, so that is useless. Okay. So you can go to Vaikuntha. Why you want to go Swarga? Bali Maharaj was Swarga owner, na? If you can, he took position of Indra. So you are my devotee, you can go to even Vaikuntha. Why you want to go only Swarga? Swarga is much below, much lower position than Vaikuntha. Okay. And the Lord also indicated Bali Maharaj that though you will be situated in Sutala now, you are more elevated since the pleasure of Sutala is not available in Swarga. No comparison. Sutala is far better than Swarga. You will especially attain me, since you have offered everything, body and soul, to me. You will attain me as your doorkeeper because of your complete surrender. The Lord is saying, because you have given everything to me now, you go to Sutala, which is very much opulent compared to Swarga, and I will be there with you always as your doorkeeper. Okay, so this Lord Vamana is now playing the role of doorkeeper. So to Vamandev, to Bali Maharaj. Okay, so he's saying go to hell, but actually indirectly he's saying you go there, stay there, later on you come to Vaikuntha. Anyway, in Sutala it is so opulent, and I will also be there and guarding your planet, your palace as a doorkeeper. And then he's saying you are falsely proud that you can give everything and like that, and now you are not able to fulfill your promise. So Lord indirectly is saying that, oh Bali Maharaj, you are respected more than Indra by people. Adya Marina, because you have attained me. So nobody, your respect is increased. Even though you are not defeated or humiliated and all those things are happening, but you are now elevated. People will give respect to you more compared to Indra. Okay. And because why? Because you have now you lost everything, but you have attained me by giving everything. Now I am becoming your doorkeeper now. So actually Bali has lost nothing. But or you can say that when he lost everything, but in return what he got? He got Lord. But others may not get only those, right? They may get only kingdom, they may get only, but they may not get Lord. But Vaman is get Lord. Same is like Vritrasura. He was killed. by Indra. So it looks like he got defeated. Eh? He got defeated by Indra. So that way he's loser. But actually at in Lord, he is the winner. And same way Prathu and Indra. They are also Indra. Brahma said, no, 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 stop, stop, don't do 100. But in that way Indra got victory. 100 he, but Prathu could do only 19. Yeah, yeah. So in that way it is he's defeated, lost. But what Krishna said, Are because you heard, you followed this instruction of Brahmaji, I am so happy now I am with you. So Prathu Maharaj also attained Lord. So in one way he lost everything, but actually he is the victorious, he is the real winner. Same here, he lost everything, Bali Maharaj, but actually he got the Lord himself. So Lord is saying, enjoy the pleasure of Sutala given by me. Then during the 8th Manvantara, 7th Manvantara is going on, and during the 8th Manvantara, I will put you in the post of Indra, and after that, take you to my abode Vaikuntha. So, my dear Bali Maharaj, go enjoy the pleasure in Sutala. I will also be there with you. I will be as like doorkeeper, Dwarpal, and when the 7th Manvantara is over, 8th Manvantara, I will make you Indra also. So that is also fulfilled. Everything will be, so devotee will get everything. So you become Indra, and after that, I will take you to my abode back. So everything is fixed for Bali Maharaj now. That presently, because 7th Manvantara, that presently, where is Bali Maharaj? In Sutala planet. Okay, and Lord Vamana is protecting him there as the doorkeeper. So it is said like when Ravana was doing everywhere and Tribhuvan Vijay, he went to Bali Maharaj also it seems, and he wanted to conquer there. But it seems Bali Vamandev kicked him and he fell so long, like that. It's like that. Okay, so thus end the Bhaktivedanta purports of the 8th and to 21st chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Bali Maharaj arrested by the Lord. So text and chapter 22, Bali Maharaj surrenders his life. This we shall discuss tomorrow, Sunday, because now Bali Maharaj, because Vamandev was where I will put third step. Bali Maharaj will put on my head. He surrenders. That's why Bali Maharaj's name is coming in the Navida Bhakti example for Atma Samarpanam, 9th process. Okay, so that's how it is. Any question is there, you may kindly ask. So 22, 23rd, and 24th. 3 more chapters in this Canto 8. Hopefully by the end of this month, we will be able to complete this. Hare Krishna. Any question, please ask. Thank you so much. Prabhupada ki jai. Grantha Rashtraman Bhagavatam ki jai. Anant Koti Vaishnavan ki jai. Hare Krishna.